trendybeats.com.
Greetings all, greetings everyone. This is Obi-Wan, your finance coach. Happy new month, happy second half of the year. Okay, yeah, thank God for leading us this far. We finished the first half. We are looking at a successful second half of the year. So as I said, I will be bringing you 4 stocks that you should try, which I'm considering investing, adding to my portfolio of investments in this second half of the year. I'll be giving you basically the first stock, for free. I'll show you the analysis I did for free, and I'll show you the analysis why I picked this particular company to invest in. Investment for the next 6 months, the next 2-3 years. Investments in stock should be long term, but I've gone through this company. I checked a lot of companies before I decided to pick this 4 company. So the first one is Lafarge Africa Plc is the first company. This company, as you will see while watching my video, I showed you see that this company has very strong fundamentals, excellent fundamentals. The business strategy, the business structure. This company is a multinational company. It's a multinational company. They are all over the world, but they have presence in Nigeria. Okay, so I'll be showing you what Lafarge does. Lafarge is a cement manufacturing company. Not only cement, they do ready-mix concrete, mortar solution. They do sustainable construction in a way. Their cement are not just ordinary cement, innovative cement, that is low carbon emission cement. Okay, so I'll be showing you their business strategy and also their financials, analysis that I did using my analytical tools, and the sentiment. And if I just quickly tell you, they are also in the news for good reason. Lafarge Africa expand EcoPlanet portfolio with the launch of EcoPlanet cement just on the June 30th. Okay, so they are in the news for good reason. So this company Lafarge that you are looking at is a company you should consider investing. Go through the entire video, see my analysis about Lafarge, my fundamental analysis, and if you like to join me, you can join me. This basically my opinion, is not an investment advice. Thank you, and watch the entire video. Bye for now. Yeah, greetings everyone. This is Obi-Wan speaking, your finance coach. Okay, we have entered into the second half of the year. Okay, July till December is the second half of the year. So in my series of video, I'll be giving you 4 stocks you should consider investing in. You should consider adding to your portfolio. Okay, this is based on my research and my analysis. It's my opinion. It's not a financial advice. Okay, but you can also do your own research to confirm. But before I do my research, I've checked a lot of indicators, checked a lot of companies before arriving at this 4 companies. Okay, so basically just journey around with me to see how I went about my analysis. Now my analysis, I look at basically like 4 things. I look at the fundamentals. Fundamental analysis simply means looking at what the company is doing, their business strategy. I also look at the technical analysis. I look at the sentiments, and I look at any recent information like news about the company. Okay, now using my fundamental, Lafarge, basically I check their financials. Now looking at Lafarge, you will see the price of Lafarge now. Lafarge Africa Plc, WAPCO. So their price is currently at 89 naira 90 kobo. Okay, now if you look at their if this price is, their valuation in terms of, let's look at their valuation and some indicators as regards Lafarge, 89 naira 90 kobo. So I should take it to the dashboard. I use investing.com. In fact, I also use another analytical tool. Now at this price of WAPCO, looking at what the fundamental is saying, this is saying the company's health. You see here, the company's health is saying the company's health is excellent. Now you hardly see a company that is excellent, use at investing.com, meaning that they've checked all the financial indicators and they come out to be excellent. Now if it's red, the year is weak. At the middle, year is fair, year is great, but year is excellent. Now this company's health is about the fundamental. Okay, and that's why I'm adding Lafarge African PLC to my portfolio. And another reason is valuation. This price, I need to ask myself, is this price very high or is this undervalued? It's 9.90 kobo. Is it so high? Okay, for me, looking at the analysis here, it's still undervalued, meaning that the price can still go up. That's why you see upside here. 31.87% upside. That's potential upside. So the fair price based on this analysis by investing.com is 118 naira 55 kobo. Okay, so that means Lafarge Africa PLC price will still most likely should go up further. Looking at the technical analysis, says that it is a strong buy. Is a strong buy. That means that people are ready to buy Lafarge. Analyst sentiment is also a strong buy. That's people's emotion. How do people feel about this company is also a strong buy. Okay, so these are indicators that make me feel that I should add Lafarge to my portfolio. Okay, now let's look at other metrics of Lafarge. Their market capitalization, their outstanding share, their revenue, their net income, and the volume and the likes, and the average volume. Okay, so their market cap is 1.45 trillion. Okay, the market cap shows the value of the business. Any company above 1 trillion is big enough. The banks, Dangote, they are all Airtel, they are above 1 trillion. Okay, so this is also a high cap company, so it's big enough. So that means you are buying a premium company. Then the PE ratio is 9.1 times. 9.1. I'll tell you about the price earning ratio. It's also very good. That means that if you compare with the peer like Dangote Cement, Boa Cement, you notice that the PE ratio is lower. I'll show you from my second analyst tool. I use Simply Wall Street that I use. Let me quickly show you that this under Simply Wall Street, you will be seeing that you will see what I mean by when I compare the what's it called, the price earning ratio. The price earning ratio is, let's say, about 10.1 here. Okay, but one thing about the price earning ratio is when you compare the PE ratio with similar company here, like Boa Cement, this Sanaye company, Dangote Cement, this was 23.6 times, 20.1 times, 70.2 times, 12.6 times. So Lafarge about 10.1. You see, it's the lowest compared to all. Okay, so this is a technical word. Anyway, if you want to know much about that, you can chat me or call me to understand what PE ratio means. So, but investing is saying is 9.1, approximately 10. So the PE ratio is low, so that means that it's a good entry. It's something you can buy now, meaning that it has very high potential upside. Now the volume is not as high as what we see in the bank. We have 2.615 million here in the volume here, but of course you can still, it's still fairly liquid. It's fairly liquid. You can buy and sell it. Okay. So this very key indicator that tells me that this is a good buy. So you could see that it's undervalued. Any company that's undervalued is a good buy. Strong buy. Technical analysis, strong buy. Analyst sentiment is a strong buy. Okay, and the company's health, more important, this is a fundamental indicator, is excellent. Okay, so let's also similarly, this my analyst also, which is simply Wall Street, is also saying similar thing as regards WAPCO or Lafarge. Okay, it's saying something similar to this company. Okay, look, you see all the risk element pass. You know, you will see when I'm analyzing all that too, you will see some of them are fail. Now, do they have sufficient financial data available? Pass. Are they in a good financial position? Pass. That's yes. Do they have negative shareholder equity? WAPCO does not have negative shareholder equity. Okay. Do they have meaningful level of revenue? Revenue is meaningful. So they score everything 100%. So these two analysts agrees that this company is doing well. Then I have to look at the website to see if there's any new indicator. The website, quickly check the website. Now the website, you see what they do. Lafarge is into Lafarge Super White POP. Okay, they are into POP. Lafarge Eco Planet Unisem. Okay, introducing the first low carbon multipurpose cement. They have low carbon multipurpose cement formulated for concreting, plastering, and block making. Okay, multipurpose cement. Okay, Nigerian first waterproof cement. They also have it new. So they are also innovating end of water wahala. Okay, waterproof, low carbon, same quality. Okay, so they have innovative products. They are not just making the regular cement, but innovative products. Okay, so if you look at the news here, you say Lafarge Africa launching Nigerian first waterproof cement. Okay, so they are also in the news for the right reason. Okay, of course there will be one or two issues. All companies they may have one or two, because there's one sales they are trying to sell, you know, the majority share to another company, and that needs to go through regulatory approval. That's still a court issue. So even though they have one or two court issue, for me, it's an excellent company. You know, yes, it will retreat a bit, but it will go up. Now look at the fundamental. Let me show you one fundamental. Let me take you back to the financial. Let me show you the financial summary to tell you that they are kind of very strong to me. Look at from 2019 to 2024, what's going on. From 2019 to 2024, revenue is increasing from 207. So look at what's going on. What's going on here from 2019 to 2024. See what's going on. 2019. Look at the annual revenue. The annual revenue, all these are expressed in millions. They are all expressed in millions. So if you are seeing this is 212 billion, this is 230 billion, this is 293 billion, 393 billion, 405 billion, 696 billion. You can see how revenue is increasing. Not only revenue, look at the operating profit. 115 billion, 30 billion, 51 billion, 53 billion, 51 billion. It now went to 100 billion last year. Okay, so the company most likely to go up a trajectory. Okay, and look at the cash flow statement. Cash flow from investing. They are even investing more. They are investing more and more and more, about 69 billion. So, they will be investing in the upcoming. So the fundamentals are great. So that means the company is not resting. The company is not resting. Okay, so you need to look at the news. Lafarge Africa expands 66 AGM. Lafarge Africa 28th of April 2025 celebrates remarkable 2024 financial performance, reiterate commitment to sustainable growth. Lafarge Africa delivers strong Q1 growth, sales up 8%, operating profit improves 137%. These are recent news. Okay, so for me, the news, I have more good news as regards this company, so it's a good one for me. So I also check the financial statements to confirm what my analyst is doing, because of course all those calculations are something I can do myself. But so I did some of my own calculation from the audited accounts, Lafarge Africa, and I can say yes, I confirm the revenue, the cost of sales, the profit, and the likes. So this company is doing well. Okay, they are doing great. So I will encourage us, based on what I've showed you, to consider adding Lafarge to your portfolio. And if you want to set up your investing account, you can chat me up, or you call on 080-627-855-37, 080-627-855-37, or Airtel 070-110-68621. Okay, so thank you for listening. Just stay tuned for the second, third, and fourth company. Join our OMC team, so you get all the full videos. Bye bye.